Today we're gonna talk about a watch. Not this watch, a smartwatch.
This smartwatch, which has Bluetooth calling, which has Bluetooth music, and also local storage music up to 512 MB, which has a heart monitor, which has a oxygen monitor, and each and every intro. This is a Firebolt 360 Pro and the model is BSW017. Yeah, that's the model name. This is a full touchscreen watch with an IP68 water resistant, 30 days battery standby. This watch has 8 sports modes: heart rate monitoring, blood pressure monitoring, body temperature and blood pressure. Before that, let's see the unboxing, shall we? Okay, let's see what's in the box. There's the watch, of course. What could possibly in there except the watch? Uh, okay, then there's the charger, manual, some subscription cards. I'm not going to show that because why would I? I got the black and black version, but there are other two colors, which is blue and gray, I guess. Yeah, as you can see, it has Bluetooth calling. You can receive the call and as well as dial a call. It has 512 MB memory, which you can store some songs on. You can connect the earphones through the Bluetooth of this watch and listen to the songs which are stored locally in here, or you can always connect to the phone and change the controls in here, which is both possible in this watch. There are two inbuilt games in this watch. First one is this, which we all come to love this game because it tests our patience. Another one, which is all numbers, not gonna even try and solve this game. Okay, this has oxygen monitoring in this watch. We need this because of the current situation we are in right now, and it has a heart rate tracking, blood pressure tracking, body temperature tracking, and it also monitors your sleep. And for the girls, it also checks the cycles, the menstrual cycles. Battery can last up to 8 days in normal mode, like connecting to phone. In standby mode, come around 30 days. Okay, the main thing, charger. The charger, 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 magnetized charger, magnetized charger, magnetized charger, 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 magnetized charger. And there are like 8 sports modes. The UI is also great because you can change the wallpaper to whichever you want, and also there are like multiple watch faces available in the app. And also the app, you need to download an app which is called Duffit, which is available in Play Store and an Apple Store for free. You can download that and connect it, and you can change the watch faces via the apps, and you can control all sorts of things all via the app. And there are like some gimmick features like a camera control. See, as you can see, I just stood over there. Look at how I filled up the frame, fat boy. And there's a Bluetooth calling, but there's a flashlight, which is not much, but trust me, it is more than enough in the dark areas where you don't have your phone or any other thing. And it has like a timer, stopwatch, weather, and everything. Did I tell about how the charger works? Charger, 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 charger. And then there's the waterproof tip. I'm gonna check how proof the water is. I mean the watch is. I paid full price for this. I'm not gonna throw water at it. You throw water at it. At your watch. You know what? My review on this watch is it's great. For the amount, it's very cheap compared to all the other smartwatches in the market. The main issue for me was the battery. They said 30 days. They said 8 days in a normal mode and 30 days in a standby mode. No. It's like 8 hours in a normal mode and 30 hours in standby mode. That was my experience in this. But once I reset the watch, it all worked fine till now. But I'm not sure how it will work after that. And even also, if you want to save extra battery, there's also like a battery saver mode and a theater mode, and you can also always adjust the brightness of the watch as well. Advantages: I mainly use this because I ride a lot. I go on bikes a lot. So previously, if I receive any call or notification, I had to stop the bike, or even when I'm in urgent, I'll just check my mobile while I'm riding, which is very dangerous. So that's when I decided to get a smartwatch which has all the smart notifications. So right now I can check all the notifications available, and I can filter my way whether I need just the WhatsApp or Instagram, or even I can check for the Skypes and Outlook from the office messages as well, which is so helpful. So when I'm driving, I can see, even though I'm not gonna pick up the call or gonna talk while I'm riding, I can just see who's calling me, and I can pick the call right on there, and I can just tell them that I'll call later, and I can call them whenever I stop my bike. And I take it to running. I don't use all the other modes, I just run, and it has a GPS where it tracks where you go in the map. The main disadvantages was previously the battery issue, but right now I reset my watch and it is working fine as of now. The last I charged was like 1 week before, and it is still now 75%. What else is there? That's it. See you in the next video.